Welcome back to Drive Comfort 2, the channel where we bring you the latest, the boldest, and the most exciting from the world of cars. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the next ride. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Genesis G80, a car that continues to challenge the luxury segment with refined elegance, high-end tech, and that signature Genesis sophistication. The G80 has long stood as the perfect middle ground between sport and luxury sedans. And for 2025, Genesis has taken that philosophy even further. Let's start with the design. At first glance, it's unmistakably Genesis. You get the bold crest grille, the signature two-line LED headlights, and a more sculpted front bumper that gives it a touch of aggression without losing that classy appeal. The proportions remain clean and confident, with a long hood, sleek side profile, and wide rear stance. It's elegance with presence. Moving to the rear, the dual-line taillight design continues, connected by a thin LED strip that runs across the trunk, adding to the car's futuristic aesthetic. New for 2025 are subtle tweaks to the rear bumper and updated wheel designs, with options going all the way up to 20 inches, depending on the trim. Everything about this car whispers modern luxury, nothing flashy, nothing overdone, just pure design finesse. Under the hood, the 2025 Genesis G80 offers two main powertrains. The base is a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 producing around 300 horsepower, delivering smooth and efficient performance. For those wanting a bit more punch, there's the 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 pushing out 375 horsepower. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering a silky smooth driving experience whether you're commuting through the city or cruising on the highway. All-wheel drive is available for both engine options, and it comes with Genesis electronically controlled suspension system that uses a camera to scan the road and adjust the damping in real time. This means the G80 is as comfortable as it is composed, gliding over bumps with grace while staying planted in corners. It's not pretending to be a sports sedan, but the handling is precise and satisfying. Inside is where the 2025 G80 really starts to shine. The cabin is a masterclass in craftsmanship. Open the door and you're greeted with premium materials, real wood, soft leather, and aluminum trim all come together in a cabin that feels more high-end than some of its German competitors. The dashboard layout is minimalist, clean, and driver-focused. A massive 14.5-inch infotainment screen dominates the center, paired with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that displays everything from navigation to performance data in crisp detail. New this year is updated software for the infotainment system, which is now faster and more intuitive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are finally standard, and the voice assistant system has been significantly improved. The available Lexicon sound system is nothing short of phenomenal, offering one of the richest in-car audio experiences in the segment. Rear seat passengers aren't left out either. With generous legroom and available features like heated and ventilated seats, power sunshades, and even massaging functions on higher trims, the G80 is clearly designed to pamper all occupants, not just the driver. Safety-wise, Genesis continues to lead the way. The G80 comes standard with an extensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring with collision avoidance, and a new AI-based driver attention alert system. There's even a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway cruising. Pricing for the 2025 Genesis G80 starts around $55,000 and can climb into the low $70s. For the fully loaded models. When you compare that to what you get in terms of luxury, technology, performance, and overall design, it's a package that's very hard to beat. Genesis is proving with every update that it's not here to follow the leaders. It's here to redefine luxury. The 2025 G80 is bold, elegant, and packed with thoughtful innovation. It's the kind of car that doesn't shout for attention. It earns it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, leave a comment with your thoughts on the 2025 G80, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Pulse for more reviews, insights, and test drives coming your way. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.